got some fresh squeezed orange juice and a cafe mocha. That looks so good. I'm kind of jealous of that one. So I meant to take a video of our food when I came to the table, but we were really hungry, so we immediately dug in when I got here. This I was extremely excited about, and actually Brian ordered this, but now it's on my side of the table. But it's a vegetarian mushroom gravy over cornbread, which is literally the best thing that I've ever heard in my life. Crispy diced potatoes, and then this was what? Brioche French toast with berries and something else. But it's really good. We're gonna keep eating because we're starving, and Brian's really tired, so he needs to get his energy up. It is Saturday, October 24th today, and I'm at the Missouri Botanical Gardens, and I'm in the, I think it's the Japanese garden portion, but this place is absolutely massive. But it is so beautiful here, and there's like a little bridge and a Zen garden over here. It's just so pretty. I can imagine if I like lived in this area, I would have a season pass and I would come here to read all the time. It's like so quiet and peaceful, and there's a lot of water. It's honestly kind of reminds me of my Animal Crossing island because I had a whole Zen garden area there. Oh, I love it here, and the weather actually turned out pretty nice. I think it's like 50 degrees and partly sunny, which was originally supposed to rain, so yeah. I recommend coming here if you're ever in St. Louis, Missouri. He's gone. Look at all these stumps. It's so nice when it gets into the other room.
Yeah.
So I was just talking shit about how stupid these goggles look, but Brian let me put them on while this drone was going, and it was the coolest thing ever, and I got to witness a crash, and it was pretty awesome. So I guess I eat my words. It is pretty epic. But yeah, we're just flying the drone around the Airbnb right now. Eventually we'll take it outside though, right? Sure. It's so freaking loud. This drone is insanely loud. How do I look? Do I look cool?
Yeah, you're right.
What? On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm a 20, right? No, that's right. We made it to our first drone flying destination of the trip. This is Art Hill over here, which I just found out was a sledding hill in the winter, which I feel like would be so much fun. And then over here, this statue, if you guys can see it, that's the apotheosis of St. Louis. See Brian over here getting drones set up for flying. Almost ready? Are you starting off with that one? Yeah. Okay. This is a fast one. This one is like the wild stallion, right?
Yeah, this one goes fast.
Yeah, that's fast wild boy. And then that one is the really loud, what would you say, steady one?
Yeah, that one's for slower, easier.
Yeah. Brian said it was going to not scare off people as much, and then he started it up today, and it's like 10 times louder than all the other ones. So, false. False, false, false. But, yeah, trees are super pretty. Like, half semicircle of red trees over here. Yeah. You'll probably get some cool drone footage nonetheless, but it is starting to get a little bit dark. Station in St. Louis, and it's pretty freaking sweet. And I'm not gonna get drunk, but I'm just saying if I was gonna get drunk, this would be the place to do it.
We are having a late start to the day. We're headed out to lunch, breakfast, brunch.
Okay, you guys, I slept until noon in Central Time. Is this Central Time? I think so.
Yes.
I slept until noon, which is 1 o'clock time in Michigan. That makes me feel like a bum. That's all I have to say.
You are
I
a
feel
bum.
like a major bum.
That's okay.
So we're sleeping in a bedroom that literally has no windows in it. There's no sense of time and space in there.
Yeah.
You go into another dimension and you come out and you don't know what day it's going to be.
It's like a bear cave, but the bear cave has a rock in front of the door, and you can't have any light.
Also, I forgot my phone at the room. Well, I didn't forget it. I had to charge it because it's only at 20%. So Brian's going to vlog on his camera while we go to breakfast right now.
Yeah. We're going to the Rooster, and it's got vegan sausage and gravy.
Vegan gravy, you guys. We had vegan gravy yesterday, but this is something that in Michigan I try to find all the time, can never find. But apparently in St. Louis, they have it everywhere, it seems like. So I'm very excited about that.
Right.
All right, so yeah, we'll check in again when we get there, and we'll show you what we get.
All right, guys, we got our vegan slinger,
Yep, you got a vegan slinger.
and we got a vegan biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, I got vegan biscuits and gravy and a side of scrambled eggs. And I'm very
Yummy. We're about to eat it, so I'm gonna go now. Goodbye. Oh, there it is.
All right, we made it to the St. Louis Arch. I can't even get it in the frame. It's quite large.
It's so huge.
I think it said it was like 600 and some feet tall, which is very, very big.
It is so
But-
tall.
Yeah, we can't fly the drones over here because it's a no-fly zone. But maybe we'll go later to another place where we can
Yeah.
get a little bit of like further away footage.
We'll find a better spot.
Yeah, but we're just out exploring today. We're walking around downtown. Should be fun. I just figured I want to let you guys know if you were looking for Mark. He's inside the fence in the mulch over there. So come to St. Louis, Missouri. Mark is here. We can also find sacks in both the left and the right direction. We have made it to the giant severed head that you can climb inside of. This, funnily enough, was like one of the main things I wanted to see. All right. There you go. That's what nightmares are made out of. I guess this thing is called Eros Bendito. But this is like an entire little sculpture park in downtown St. Louis. So we're gonna walk through the rest of it, but for whatever reason, I wanted to see this head here, and saw the head I did. This is a super cool, like, little zipper made out of garden pathway. Why do I feel like this is cool? Right here told me to come in and get comfy, and now is trying to get me to go out after I thought I was gonna get to be comfy and be a potato. Now we're delusional and I'm really tired. We walked around all day. Got some very exciting things happening over here. I have never been or seen a Jack in the Box before, because I don't think I've ever been west enough in the US to see a Jack in the Box. So we're gonna go make our way to a nearby Jack in the Box and basically get anything that intrigues me at all that I can eat. And we don't eat meat, so I don't anticipate that being that many things, but nonetheless, I'm very curious, and I feel like I can't go any further in my life journey without trying Jack in the Box. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
I've brainwashed him. Goodbye, Airbnb. Bye. Goodbye, St. Louis. It's been real. Time to head home.